CoinEx Wallet Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the CoinEx Wallet. Links to the product are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll dive into the features, strengths, and weaknesses of CoinEx Wallet, helping you determine whether it fits your cryptocurrency storage and management needs. CoinEx Wallet is a decentralized, multi-chain wallet designed to simplify cryptocurrency management. It supports a broad range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and tokens on multiple chains such as Tron and Binance Smart Chain. Its intuitive interface and seamless integration with the CoinEx ecosystem make it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. A standout feature of CoinEx Wallet is its multi-chain compatibility, allowing users to manage assets across different blockchain networks in one application. The wallet also includes dApp integration, making it easy for users to interact with decentralized applications for DeFi, gaming, and NFT purposes. Its built-in swap feature lets users exchange cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet, eliminating the need for third-party platforms. Security is a top priority for CoinEx Wallet. It is non-custodial, meaning users retain full control of their private keys. Additional security measures, such as biometric authentication and encryption, provide an added layer of protection. The wallet's cross-platform availability, as both a mobile app and browser extension, offers flexibility for users who prefer managing their assets on the go or through a desktop interface. Among its strengths, CoinEx Wallet's user-friendly design and seamless integration with the CoinEx exchange platform make it convenient for users who are part of the CoinEx ecosystem. Its multi-chain support and robust dApp compatibility position it as a versatile option for those engaging with the broader crypto landscape. However, there are some weaknesses. CoinEx Wallet's focus on multi-chain functionality may lack the specialized tools offered by wallets dedicated to a single blockchain, which could limit its appeal for niche users. Additionally, while the security features are strong, first-time users might find managing private keys intimidating. In conclusion, CoinEx Wallet is a solid choice for users seeking a decentralized, multi-chain wallet with a balance of usability and functionality. It's especially ideal for those already active within the CoinEx ecosystem. Check the links in the description for more details.